Welcome back, financial aficionados, to Master Wealth, where we dedicate our time to providing you solid information to aid you on your path to true financial freedom. Today, we're diving deep into the world of passive income, a topic we've extensively covered on this channel, and with good reason. Passive income is a game changer in your financial journey, and we're here to reinforce its significance. Join us as we explore various passive income streams and unveil strategies to set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember to smash that like button if you value this content. Subscribe to stay updated with our wealth mastering insights, and share your invaluable tips in the comment section below. Your contributions drive our community's growth, so let's continue our discussion on this paramount subject of passive income. But before we embark on this financial journey, let's kick things off with a quick quiz to awaken your financial genius. Question 1. What's the primary job of passive income? A. Funding your weekend coffee addiction. B. Financing an extra world tour. Or C. Earning money with minimal effort. Question 2. How would you define passive income? A. The result of winning the lottery. B. Earnings generated with little ongoing effort. Or C. Money earned through active hustling and bustling. Hold on tight, because the answers to these brain teasers are about to unfold as we navigate the lucrative landscape of passive income. Our mission today, to equip you with insights, strategies, and the motivation to turn your money into a diligent worker, even while you catch some Z's. What in the world is passive income? Fun fact: did you know that the concept of passive income has been around since ancient times, when landlords collected rent from their tenants in the form of labor, tax, and other resources? Today, it's not about being a landlord, it's about being a financial maestro. Passive income is like the unsung hero of your financial orchestra, playing a steady tune in the background while you focus on life's main stage. It's money you earn with minimal effort, a financial symphony that crescendos even when you're not actively working. Picture it as your money working for you, not the other way around. Here's a little dose of motivation for you. Don't work for money. Make it work for you. Robert Kiyosaki. Just like a well-conducted orchestra, your passive income streams can create a harmonious melody that lasts a lifetime. Now, let's unveil the distinctions between passive income and its active counterpart. Silly joke alert! Why did passive income get jealous of the paycheck? Because it wanted to take a vacation too! Passive income is like a financial wizard, conjuring earnings without constant hands-on involvement. It's working for you day in and day out, even on holidays and vacations, while your active income is hardworking but takes breaks when you're no longer actively working for it. Now, this is our opinion, but we believe you need both in your financial arsenal for not only a balanced and resilient financial future, but a fulfilling life. When you have enough passive income, you can actively work on hobbies and interests that you would like to share with the world. This freedom to explore and share the things that bring you joy stimulates you spiritually. After all, what good is money if you can't enjoy it? But why should you care about this financial dynamic? Financial freedom. Imagine having money flowing even when you're not grinding away at a 9-to-5. As just mentioned, passive income provides the freedom to dictate your own schedule and pursue your passions. Without diversification, relying solely on a paycheck is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Passive income streams offer diversification, spreading your financial risk while building wealth over time. Passive income can accumulate, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth-building journey. Time freedom. Your time is precious. Passive income allows you to reclaim time spent on traditional work, giving you the flexibility to focus on what truly matters. Here's a motivational quote to keep you inspired. The more you learn, the more you earn. Warren Buffett. Or, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Hopefully, that work is something you love doing. Joke. Drum roll, please. Let's answer our quiz questions. Answer to question 1. Letter C. Earning money with minimal effort. Passive income is all about earning money with minimal ongoing effort, allowing you to enjoy life while your money works for you. Answer to question 2. B. Earnings generated with little ongoing effort. Passive income is earnings generated with little active involvement, setting you on the path to financial independence. Building passive income is like planting seeds that grow into a fruitful money tree, offering shade and sustenance for years to come. It's a vital part of your financial strategy, paving the way for a future where your money labors on your behalf. Your financial future deserves the liberation and abundance that only a well-nurtured passive income can provide. Here's your game plan. Explore income streams. Identify potential passive income streams such as paper investments, rental income, or online ventures. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Learn about different passive income opportunities to make informed decisions. Start small. Begin with manageable ventures, allowing you to test the waters and refine your strategies. Invest wisely. Whether in stocks, real estate, or online endeavors, make informed and strategic investments for long-term gains. Automate processes. Leverage automation tools and systems to streamline your passive income streams. Patience is key. Building passive income takes time. Be patient and stay committed to your financial goals. Remember what Napoleon Hill said, "Don't wait. The time will never be just right." Before we wrap this up, here's a little financial humor to lighten the mood. Why did the dollar go to therapy? It had too many issues. Remember, folks, passive income might not be as flashy as a lottery win, but considering our current understanding of lottery wins, it sure is a lot more reliable when it comes to building lasting wealth. So, go out there, explore those passive income avenues, and let your future thank you. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of passive income, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Wealth for more financial wisdom. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about your passive income endeavors or fire away with your burning questions. Your financial future is just ahead, and we're here with you to celebrate every stride of your journey. Thanks for joining us on this expedition into the realm of passive income. Stay tuned for more financial adventures with Master Wealth. We'll catch you in our next episode. Cheers!